Magandang hapon po ng Friday, September 20, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result. Ngayong hapon ng Friday, September 20, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon na September 20, 2024 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later' for 9 p.m. draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Friday, September 20, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 181 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 jackpot price estimates is 60 million pesos for September 20, 2024 Friday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Friday, September 20, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.